In the heart of the 1960s, a storm was brewing in the American Southwest, a turbulent era that would see the birth of a movement like no other, the Chicano Movement. Born out of frustration and a burning desire for equality, the Chicanos, descendants of Mexican immigrants and their American-born descendants, found themselves marginalized in their own land. Their homes, Barrio, were riddled with poverty, lack of education, and a profound sense of disenfranchisement. The American dream seemed a distant mirage, as they faced discrimination in education, employment, and housing. One fateful day, a young activist named Rodolfo Corky Gonzales stood before a crowd in Denver's Civic Center Park. His words echoed through the air, "Yo soy Joaquin. I am Joaquin. I am the brown man. I am the Mexican. I am the Chicano." This cry stirred a nation, igniting a fire within the hearts of the marginalized. The Chicano movement was born, a movement that would demand justice, equality, and respect. The movement took many forms, from peaceful protests and marches to more militant actions. The brown beret became a symbol of pride, worn by activists who were committed to the cause. In the schools, students walked out en masse, demanding better education and an end to discrimination. On the streets, they confronted police brutality, demanding accountability and justice. In the halls of power, they lobbied for legislation that would address their concerns, from education reform to immigration rights. They sought to change the system from within, to give a voice to the voiceless. The Chicano movement was not without its challenges. The media often portrayed them as violent and militant, while the government sought to suppress their activities. Yet, they persevered, driven by a shared vision of a better future. The movement's impact was profound. It brought attention to the plight of the Chicanos, forcing the nation to confront its own history of discrimination. It led to significant reforms in education, employment, and housing. Today, the Chicano movement stands as a testament to the power of unity and the pursuit of justice. It serves as a reminder that change is possible, that the voices of the marginalized can be heard, and that the American dream can be a reality for all. Yo soy Joaquin. I am Joaquin. I am the Chicano. I am a product of the movement, a testament to its enduring spirit and a beacon of hope for future generations.